Hey guys, it's Giridhar here for Funalicious, and today in this video, I'm going to talk to you about the Xiaomi's Mi TV 4a. So I have this Mi TV 4a which is of 43-inch size, but this review is going to be common for both 43-inch and 32-inch TV. Apart from the panel size, there is little difference between the 32-inch TV and the 43-inch TV. So the design of this 43-inch TV is slim but not as slim as the 55-inch 4K variant of Xiaomi TV. It is very lightweight, just about 7.43 kgs including the stands. It is a lightweight TV, so it is better to wall mount it rather than keeping it on the table. Yes, this TV can be wall mounted. The design looks good, the bezels are fairly thin, and the TV has got almost all your required ports. All the ports are on the back of the TV. You would find 3 USB 2.0 ports, 3 HDMI ports, of which the first port is the ARC audio return channel. We have one AV port, one Ethernet port, and an earphone output. This TV supports single band 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, but it doesn't have Bluetooth connectivity. Under the hood, this TV is running on Amlogic Core A53 quad-core processor with a Mali 450 MP3 for your GPU. It has 1 GB of RAM and 8 GB of internal storage. After what the system has consumed, about 4 GB is left for the user. Let's talk about installing apps at a later point of this video. But now let's talk about what's more important on a TV, the video quality. Well, this TV is priced at rupees 23,000 rupees, or even the 32-inch TV is priced at 14,000 rupees. In this price segment, I would recommend you not to compare this TV with the high-end brands like Sony or Samsung. Fair comparison would be to compare this TV with the other TVs in this price range. So having used the Voo TV and also the Kodak TV and Sanyo and other TVs in this price segment, I must say that the video quality in this TV is pretty decent. The colors and contrast ratio are good. Sharpness suffers a bit, sometimes the images and the edges are softened. But the refresh rate of 60Hz seems to be good for most of the content that can be played on this Full HD resolution panel. Of course, you can connect your PlayStation or Xbox and play Full HD content on this TV. But for a better experience of gaming, I would suggest you to go for a TV with higher refresh rate and the top-notch 4K resolution. Coming back to this TV, let us now see how good is the audio quality on this TV. Well, I would say it is a very loud TV. Yes, apart from the loudness, this TV doesn't have much of a bass. Though it has two 20-watt speakers, the bass is a little bit of less thumpy. The vocals are clear and the highs are also good. Okay, coming back to the smart TV features of this particular Xiaomi Mi TV 4a, this TV is a smart TV. So most of the functionalities of this TV is revolving around this operating system. Though the TV is based on Android, there is no hint of this being an Android TV because of the customization and the completely forked version of Android on it, which Xiaomi calls Patchwall. Well, Patchwall, as they call it, has a lot of content displayed as thumbnails right on the home screen. Instead of searching for a content to watch, you can actually browse for a content to watch, and this Xiaomi's Patchwall brings up the content which is more relevant to you based on your content consuming pattern. This TV does not have official Google Play Store, so you cannot install applications from any Play Store, but you can definitely sideload applications. You will have to download the APK files from the internet and put it onto your USB drive and connect it to this TV to install that app. Not every app is going to be successfully installed on this TV, but whatever app I tried on, like the Netflix and also Hotstar, it did install successfully and I was able to use it. The TV also comes with a few applications preloaded. One such basic application is this Media Explorer. The Media Explorer is used to browse the content that you have on your pen drive or any hard drive connected to this TV through wire or through the network. Talking about content, this TV has got loads of preloaded content. Xiaomi has actually partnered with many content delivery partners, and all these content delivery partners end up giving you a lot of content to consume. Without audio recognition capabilities, searching through the content can be a little difficult. For most of my review time, I was actually browsing through the content, and the Xiaomi TV actually learnt my content consumption pattern and brought up all the content which I personally like. It does have a lot of TV shows specific to Indian audience. Regional content is a bit low in my opinion, but it has a lot of Hindi programs and movies. This TV comes with a 11-button remote which is quite easy to use. If you also buy this IR cable, you can actually pair up your TV's set-top box with this TV and you can use that set-top box with your remote. So without having the need to use another remote, this single remote can be used to browse the channels on your set-top box as well. So for this, they have tied up with an application called Sensi, which is made by an Indian company, an Indian Bangalore-based startup called Sensara. So your TV content which is on the air is also displayed on the patch wall like a thumbnail, and you can also see the progress of it, and clicking on it you can directly go to your TV set-top box and watch the content on air. Having said all of that, the final question is, should I buy this TV or not? Well, we'll check out the competitors in the market. Just go to any store and look at the TV which is priced anywhere between 20,000 and 40,000. You would find that the Xiaomi TV offers you a much more value for money compared to all the TV that's there in the market right now. But please don't compare any of the high-end TV brands with this TV. If you're gonna compare, just check out what Woo is gonna offer on what Kodak and Sanyo and even some of Samsung's mid-range models gotta offer. Quickly going through the specifications of that TV, you would find that the Xiaomi's Mi TV 4a has a lot to offer, especially on the content front. If you're gonna use your TV without the smart functionalities, or if you're gonna use this TV just to watch the content from your set-top box, there are a lot of non-smart TV which you can convert to a smart content consumer using Fire Stick or Chromecast. I would urge you to look at this Mi TV only if you are keen on consuming the online content that this TV has got to offer you. And if you're a person who's gonna watch a lot of online content, this Mi TV 4a is a good value for money. 32-inch or 43-inch. This TV is here to disrupt the price in the TV market right now. So if you have decided to go ahead and buy this TV, links are there in the description below. I hope you like this video. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel Phonelicious. Until I catch up with you on the next video, this is Giridhar signing off. Goodbye.